Nandito na naman kami. Ayan. Here's my husband and here's my Ellie-chan. So, we are happy family. So, ngayon lang kami nakapag-update sa aming vlog. Hello, vlog. And this is Ellie. Super cute.
Hi, Ellie.
Hi, Ellie. She is naughty sometimes. That's why, guys, it's not very easy. So, ayan. Don't put in your mouth. Yak. Bring mo.
What's she doing?
She put in your... ganito siya, guys. Pag ano.
We'll be back.
Ganito kami. Si hi! Hi muna, vlog. Hi, vlog, everyone. Can I hug? Papahag. Hug, higa. Ang pata-pata. Hello, guys. Amo bata, guys. Sige pangayog didi. Sige pangayog didi, guys. What's up? No, she's not. She's not showing. Dadadadadam. Ang palangkaan. So, what's up, mananap, no? What's up, mananap? So, ngayon lang kami nakapag-update uli dahil busy kami sa buhay namin. So, magkaroon kami ng garden dito sa bahay. So, lumipat na kami from condo to land. What is this? Landed property. So, dito guys, mas maraming activities na magaganap ko dito at I'm not boring anymore because I have my garden with Ellie-chan. Right, Ellie? Right? So, ayan guys, napakasaya ko dito. So, si Ellie naman, panay hingi ng didi. Ayan, oh. Tapos, si Mikey nandoon. At saka dito, guys, marami akong activities na nagaganap everyday. Lalo na kay Ellie. So, ayan, nagha-harvest na kami ng bok choy! Bok choy! So, nagdididi siya, guys, oh. Pasaway, oh. Panay hingi. No! Don't bite me. Ay, sige. Baby. No, babe. She bite me. She's teasing me, daddy. Sige. Leave it. No more.
She's being ornery.
No more. So, ayan yung baby ko, oh. Amerikanang hilaw. She's Amerikanang hilaw, guys. So, nagkaroon talaga ako ng pimples at saka breakouts nung nagkabuntis ako. So, nasira na yung beauty natin ngayon, guys. Na-disbeauty na ako ngayon. Pero sige lang kasi may nagdididi at napakasaya ko sa baby ko. Oh, ang kinis-kinis. Buyag. So, ayan lamang po, guys, ang ating update ngayon. Abangan nyo po ang susunod kong video! Huwag yung kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-like sa aking channel para masundan nyo kami sa aming mga vlog. Thank you for watching, everyone!